Hello viewers, today I'm just trying to explain some issue on iCloud because some of my students, some of my friends, some of my clients claim that a lot of people trying to pursue that they can unlock iCloud and they take money, they never unlock iCloud. Even some people took money telling them then they can bypass iCloud. They take the money, but unfortunately it was not a permanent solution. So let's go to the video. What does it mean bypass iCloud? Actually, bypass iCloud means get into menu to access to your telephone, bypassing activation process. You know that all the smartphones now needs activation process, so iPhone is one of them. So my question, or my client's question, is, does it really works permanently? The answer is no. It is a just temporary solution. Why? Because it worked for short time. In case like if you restart your phone, it will go into activation mode again. So if someone claim to you that he can bypass iCloud and ask for money, make sure that you ask him, does it work permanently or temporarily? There is another type of bypass iCloud, which means they can bypass your iCloud, they can give you access to your telephone, you can use your telephone normally, but when you try to just update your phone, it will deactivate again. So it's also not the final solution. So bypass iCloud is not a permanent solution. Make sure ask your ask the person who wants to bypass your iCloud. Okay, and even if you pay little money to bypass, just make sure that if you can update your phone, or if you can turn off your phone, if you can restart your phone. So be sure about that. And there are a lot of website online, you can find it easily. They are offering free solution to bypass iCloud. If you are just a little bit knows about the internet and things, you can unlock, you can bypass your iCloud. Even if you really want to bypass your iCloud, just follow my next video. Hopefully I will give you some free website. So there are a lot of websites. Just go into the Google, search the things. There are many companies who are selling their product. Even they will give you chance to bypass your iCloud 1 or 2 telephone. In that way you can bypass your iCloud. Now question is, who can unlock iCloud 100%? It's a great question, because a lot of people lost money, lost credit card, waste their time and become crazy, because you know some people's I will show you in that way, because there are a lot of scammers, cheaters. Maybe they are working from Hong Kong, China, Singapore, and they have a lot of ways. For example, some people will collect your number. I don't know how, because it's not difficult, and add you on their apps groups like Skype, WhatsApp, Imo, etc., etc. And every 2 or 3 days later, regularly they will send news that today 5 iCloud done successfully, another 2 days, and after 2 days they will say today 10 iCloud done. They will continuously send you this type of message, like today, and they will also provide you the number of IMEs. You know, they are the IMEs. Okay, they will provide you number of the IMEs, and they will continue. They are tireless. They don't be tired. They will send you every day message that today 2 iCloud done, today 5 iCloud done, and one day you will see, maybe this guy is true, because he is unlocking. so they will send you message every day, so you will trust him. You said, okay, then I can try. Okay, so before try, make sure that you don't give him money, credit card, but you can give him PayPal if you just want to try him, but don't pay as gift, pay as the business way, so if you cannot unlock your iCloud, so that you can take your money back. Now my question is, who really can unlock your iCloud? Basically, some websites claim to unlock iPhone from iCloud activation lock by jailbreaking. In fact, this is totally wrong, because jailbreaking just removes the restriction from official iOS package on your iPhone, so that you can install the famous Cydia app store, which won't affect the iCloud activation lock. Those websites are just scammer. If you found them, stay away from them. Don't give them your iPhone, even use your credit card. Now, yes, of course you can unlock your iCloud, but let me show you your case. Why would you want to unlock iCloud phone? Normally there are three ways. When you have been given an iPhone as a gift by a friend or relative, but every time you want to use it, it asks for an Apple ID or password. Second, when you have bought a second-hand or used iPhone from eBay or local dealer, and the previous owner had not logged out of iCloud or removed his iCloud details. Third, when you have forgotten the iCloud password and used during the setup of your device. In that case, I will propose to go near Apple Store and ask for help. Unless the provider case a file against the phone, Apple Store must help to unlock, and you have to give proof that it is not stolen, because the Apple Store needs to know that this phone is not stolen. Basically, if someone lost his phone, or if someone took away his phone, he must case a file, he block his phone, he send SMS. In that case, it is the Apple Store will never unlock, otherwise they should unlock it. And this video is really just to make people aware and to unlock their iPhone. But of course there are some ways. Only the people who works for Apple, they can unlock iCloud, otherwise none of them can unlock iCloud, because it's a very high secure system. Even every year or 2 years, sometimes the scholar, the software programmer engineer, they can unlock iCloud maybe for 1 month, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and in that case some people can unlock iCloud. But when the authority of Apple know that some people already unlocking iCloud, they change system, and after that they cannot unlock iCloud. So be careful, and thank you very much to watch my video, and follow my video, subscribe my channel. Hopefully next time I will give you some free solution to bypass iCloud.